It was good, my family. Shit, you unfiltered. You already know. You don't want to take a walk with me? Yeah, you ain't got a choice. You coming anyway. Just walking up to the park. I had to remind myself, even in the cold time, like, get outside, get some sun, touch nature, touch the grass, get a little grounding in, all that stuff. I need to get my front camera fixed. Just help the dude hold the door for a second. But yeah, man. I gotta make sure, man. Get outside, get some sun. I know I got my hood on, but let your hair get some sun. I used to do that on my balcony, but it's because my ears be getting cold when the wind hit them. Yeah, get some sun. Make sure you fueling your body correctly going into this new year. If you like me, got a lot of things planned, but you've already been working on things, so yeah, you got New Year's resolutions, but they ain't really new, because you've been putting together the plan and just putting together everything you need to put together going into the new year for whatever you're working on. Maybe a business, may just be working on yourself. Yeah, and really shouldn't be doing too much talking. It's always good to market and promote yourself, but don't be just telling your plans to anybody. Bring negative energy to your shit. We don't like that. We don't like people talking down on what we got going on. Cross the street real quick. Yeah, you don't want to tell you, especially people you know got negative mindsets. Don't tell them what you got going on. Just keep it vague with them. If someone get mad because you don't want to tell them what you got planned, shouldn't be in your life anyway. They're a fucking idiot. And they should have something else that they working on. It's not nothing personal, it's just pull up with the results. Social media make everybody want to show everything so quickly. All 2023, we pulling up with the results. We're not prematurely ejaculating, basically. And a lot of times, telling people shit too early and you already get a little bit of praise for it, that can fuck you up, because now you got dopamine and shit ain't going, like chemicals and shit in your head that's making you feel like you done something and you ain't did shit yet. It's not the way to be successful, man. But yeah, just a little stroll and talk. Almost at the park. Go up there, ground for a little bit. My feet on the grass. Let's check the views out. Look at the city. We already 4 minutes in. Almost 5. I think if I got anything else on my mind, on my head, on my heart. Nothing I can think of. I'm talking about shit. I don't like to force shit. And when I do got something on my mind, I've been needing to work on, like, getting it out immediately. Which can be good because it'll be like more raw. But at the same time, you gotta kind of be more precise about what you're saying sometimes. Especially if you're trying to be like, just some sort of like figure that has influence. That's why it benefits to be slow to speak and quick to listen. Which is how I usually am. Up here at the park. Finally. Took me a little minute. Show y'all how to grind, how to ground. And then let y'all get up out of here. Back to y'all day. So boom. Right here. All you do, take your shoes off, step in the grass. Just chill. And grounding, I know it like the rubber sole we got on our shoes most of the time, it puts like it stops the frequencies of the earth, the electromagnetic frequencies of the earth. I don't know the exact science, but it keeps that from going to our body, which I don't know. I've seen that there's like correlations between the time we started like actually wearing shoes with rubber soles and just being more disease and stuff like that. So I feel like it's just healthy to connect with nature, man. But definitely make sure if you haven't in a while, step outside. You ain't gotta start grounding like your boy. Bare feet out, feet a little white. You ain't gotta start like that, but well, it's also like grounding strips you can attach to your shoes. I don't know how good that works compared to actually feet to ground, but anything just to help you get connected. But yeah, man, take care of yourself, right fuel, get some nature, breathe correctly, so you're working on your breathing techniques, exercise, live, laugh, and love, man. Tell you unfiltered. I'm out. Love you.